I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with bones, aromatics, and heat. Now, char the onion and ginger until deeply browned. That caramelization gives the broth sweet depth. Once charred, quickly blanch the bones for about 10 minutes to remove blood and foam because clarity matters. Make sure to toast the spices in a dry pan until fragrant. This unlocks essential oils. Combine everything in a large stock pot with 4 quarts water and bring to a soft simmer, skimming regularly to maintain a clear broth. Once the pot is simmering gently, reduce to low and maintain that barely moving surface. You want extraction without clouding. Simmer for 6 to 8 hours to pull collagen and flavor from marrow and connective tissue, which creates mouthfeel. Add a small piece of rock sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoon fish sauce, tasting and adjusting slowly so you learn how sweet, salty, and savory interact. When done, strain through a fine sieve to remove solids, and make sure to degrease for a clean, balanced bowl. You now focus on noodles and plating. Combine rice flour and tapioca starch with just boiled water to form a pliable dough. Rest, then roll or press thin and cut. Cook noodles very briefly, 30 to 60 seconds, because rice noodles finish cooking in hot broth. Shock them in cold water to stop cooking and prevent mush. Warm your bowls, nestle noodles, pour steaming broth directly over thinly sliced beef so it cooks instantly, and garnish. Troubleshooting tip: if broth tastes flat, boost with a splash of fish sauce or a pinch of salt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.